They say AI will change everything. It'll write our books, design our products, even run our businesses. But here's the thing no one tells you. Artificial intelligence might outlearn us, but it can't outfeel us. There are 4 superpowers that only humans have, abilities that no machine, no matter how advanced, will ever truly understand. And if you're a creator, an entrepreneur, or a dreamer, these 4 superpowers are your secret weapons in the age of AI. AI is everywhere. It's in our phones, our art, our marketing, even our conversations. Some people love it, some fear it, but all of us, every single one, are being transformed by it. And that's not a bad thing, because history shows us something amazing. Every time technology evolves, so does humanity. So, today, we're not talking about fear. We're talking about advantage, the edge that keeps you relevant, powerful, and irreplaceable in the AI era. These are the 4 human superpowers AI will never have: curiosity, adaptability, creativity, and ethical judgment. Let's start with the first, the one that fuels everything we've ever created. Before there was art, before there were tools, there was curiosity. That tiny voice in the human brain that whispers, "What if?" It's the reason we looked up at the night sky and wondered what stars were. AI doesn't ask questions. It answers them. But human beings, we live inside our questions. Curiosity is chaos mixed with hope. It's what built civilizations and also what pushes creators to keep trying even when the world doesn't get them yet. AI can analyze every book ever written. It can predict the next trend, generate 1,000 designs, and optimize every headline. But it can't wonder why something is beautiful. It can't get bored and decide to experiment. And that boredom, that frustration, is what leads to invention. Humans aren't efficient. We're emotional, irrational, unpredictable, and that's why we discover new things. AI doesn't explore beyond its data. Humans question the data. We break the rules and then write new ones. There's a story I love. A team of engineers once fed an AI millions of blueprints to design a new kind of airplane wing. It came up with hundreds of technically perfect designs, but none of them could actually fly. Then one human engineer looked at the data, ignored the top results, and said, "What if we made the wing flexible instead of rigid?" That one question changed everything. AI was following logic. The human followed curiosity. And that's the difference. Curiosity leads to revelation, not replication. For creators and entrepreneurs, curiosity isn't just inspiration, it's a strategy. Every successful startup, every viral video, every life-changing invention all began with someone saying, "What if?" AI can analyze what already went viral, but it can't create the next trend. That's your power. So if you're building your brand or business, don't chase the algorithm. Chase your questions. Because your curiosity will lead you somewhere AI can't follow, into the unknown. But the next superpower is what keeps us alive once we do adaptability. Adaptability is humanity's oldest survival skill. We evolved from caves to skyscrapers, from fire to fiber optics. When the Ice Age came, we invented shelter. When electricity arrived, we reinvented work. And now, with AI, we're reinventing ourselves. The reason humans keep winning isn't because we're the fastest or smartest. It's because we're flexible. We adapt. We see change, we panic for a second, and then we create something new. AI isn't comfortable with change. It thrives in data, in predictability. Every AI system is only as smart as the past it's trained on. So, when the world shifts, when trends evolve, or human emotions take a sudden turn, AI has to play catch-up. You've seen it yourself. AI-generated art starts trending, then instantly feels repetitive. Humans, we pivot. We learn, unlearn, and relearn faster than any dataset can update. Imagine a creator using AI to make content. At first, everything works perfectly: fast edits, viral hooks, perfect captions. Then, the platform algorithm changes. Engagement drops. Panic sets in. Now, here's the difference. The AI freezes. It can't adapt without new data. But the creator experiments, tries a new tone, a different format, a fresh idea. That flexibility, that creative instinct, is adaptability in action. It's what separates automation from innovation. Psychologists call adaptability the resilience muscle. It's how humans survive uncertainty. AI only knows what it's programmed to know. Humans thrive on not knowing. That's why we grow. Every failure we face teaches us something data can't. Perspective. That's why your struggles as a creator aren't weaknesses. They're training data for your soul. AI has data. Humans have wisdom. And adaptability turns wisdom into power. If you're building something right now, a brand, a business, or just your next viral video, remember this: the world will keep changing. Tools will come and go. Algorithms will evolve. But your ability to adapt will always be your real advantage. So try new tools, but don't depend on them. Experiment with your content, but never forget your voice. Because in a world of automation, adaptability is authenticity. But the next human superpower is the one that changes the world. Creativity is humanity's signature. It's the reason our species went from drawing on cave walls to creating billion-dollar movies. It's what turns logic into language, emotion into melody, and data into design. Every great creator, from Steve Jobs to Da Vinci, embraced that uncertainty. And that's something no AI system can reproduce, because creativity isn't just an output, it's a feeling. Here's the truth about being a creator in 2025. AI gives you infinite tools, but tools don't make art, perspective does. What separates you from the machine isn't your skill, it's your story. Your heartbreaks, your dreams, your sense of humor. That's the texture AI doesn't have. So when you use AI, don't just generate content, generate connection. Let the machine handle the logic, but you handle the emotion. AI won't replace creators. It'll replace creators who refuse to evolve. The ones who thrive are those who merge intuition with intelligence, who use AI not as a crutch, but as a canvas. AI can process information at lightning speed. It can identify faces, predict behavior, even write legal documents. But what it can't do is decide what's right. Ethical judgment is the superpower that keeps intelligence in check. It's our moral compass, the invisible line between progress and chaos. When AI acts without ethics, it amplifies bias. When humans act without ethics, we lose trust. That's why our judgment matters more now than ever. Because the next revolution won't be about technology, it'll be about responsibility. AI doesn't have empathy, guilt, or intention. It doesn't know what good means, only what's effective. So when we say an AI made a mistake, what we really mean is we did. Because AI only reflects the humans who built it. Ethics require context. They require a heart, not just a data set. This is why human judgment isn't optional, it's essential. The future of humanity isn't humans versus AI. It's humans with AI guided by values. When you merge intelligence with integrity, you don't just create technology, you create trust. And that's what separates the leaders from the lost. AI may define the next generation of innovation, but humans will define the next generation of meaning. So if you're watching this right now, wondering where you fit in this AI-driven world, here's your answer. You are the conscience, the storyteller, the explorer, the builder of bridges between data and dreams. AI will make us faster, but only humanity can make us better. Curiosity makes us explore. Adaptability helps us survive. Creativity lets us dream. And ethical judgment that keeps us human. These are the 4 powers AI will never have. And they're the reason yes, you will always matter in this digital age. So build your ideas. Start that business. Tell your story. Use AI as your partner, not your replacement, because the future doesn't belong to artificial intelligence. It belongs to the humans brave enough to use it wisely. I'm Kimberly Quinn. If this inspired you, drop a heart in the comments and share one human superpower you're proud of. And don't forget to subscribe because the next chapter of the human story is just beginning.